Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something amazing, something that can completely change your life. And the best part, it only takes 1 minute every day. Yes, you heard me right, just 1 minute. I know it sounds too good to be true, but stick with me and I'll explain everything. We all want to improve our lives, right? We want to be happier, healthier, and more successful. We read books, watch videos, and try new things. Sometimes these things work, but often they're too complicated or take too much time. We get busy, we get tired, and we give up. Does this sound familiar to you? I know it does for me. I've tried so many things that I couldn't stick with. But what if I told you there's a simple, powerful practice that anyone can do? It doesn't cost any money, and it takes just 60 seconds. This practice is something I started doing a while ago, and honestly, the changes have been incredible. It has helped me feel more positive, more focused, and more grateful for my life. So, what is this magical 1 minute practice? It's simple. Every single day, you take 1 minute to do something called future self journaling. Don't worry, it's not as complex as it sounds. It just means you spend 1 minute writing about the person you want to become. You write as if you are already that person. Let me explain how it works. You need a notebook and a pen, or you can use an app on your phone. Every day, maybe in the morning when you wake up or at night before you sleep, you open your journal. You set a timer for 1 minute, and for that 1 minute, you write about your ideal future. But here's the important part. You must write in the present tense. This is key. You don't write, "One day I will be confident." Instead, you write, "I am so confident. I walk into a room and feel comfortable talking to anyone. People listen when I speak, and I feel great about myself." You see the difference? You are not hoping for a future. You are describing a reality that you are creating. You write as if it's already happening right now. Let's try another example. Maybe you want to be healthier. You wouldn't write, "I hope to eat better and exercise." No, you would write, "I love my healthy lifestyle. I enjoy eating fresh fruits and vegetables. I have so much energy, and my body feels strong and amazing after my daily walk." By writing in the present tense, you are sending a powerful message to your brain. Your brain starts to believe that this is your reality. It's a psychological trick, but it works wonders. It's like you are giving your brain a new map to follow. Instead of focusing on what you don't have, you focus on what you are becoming. The science behind this is fascinating. It's connected to a concept called neuroplasticity. This means our brains can change and create new connections throughout our lives. When you consistently focus your thoughts on a positive future, you are literally rewiring your brain. You are building new pathways that support your goals. It's like exercising a muscle. The more you do it, the stronger it gets. So every day, for just 1 minute, you step into the shoes of your future self. What does that person do? How do they feel? What are they proud of? Write it all down. Be specific. Feel the emotions as you write. Feel the joy, the pride, the confidence. Let's think about some other areas of your life you could write about. How about your career? Instead of, "I want a better job," you could write, "I am so happy and fulfilled in my career. I am using my skills to do meaningful work, and my colleagues respect me. I'm excited to go to work every morning." What about your relationships? Maybe you want to have better friendships. You could write, "I am surrounded by loving and supportive friends. We laugh together and help each other. I am so grateful for the amazing people in my life." The possibilities are endless. You can write about your finances. "I am financially secure and make smart decisions with my money." You can write about your creativity. "I am full of creative ideas, and I express myself freely without fear." Now, you might be thinking, Just writing something down for 1 minute can't really change anything. I understand that skepticism, but think about it this way. That 1 minute sets the tone for your entire day. It's a minute of pure positivity and focus. It reminds you of what you are working towards. When you start your day by connecting with your ideal self, you are more likely to make choices that align with that vision. If you wrote about being healthy, you might be more likely to choose an apple over a cookie later in the day. If you wrote about being confident, you might be more willing to speak up in a meeting. It's not magic, it's about influencing your daily actions. This small daily action builds momentum. It's like a tiny snowball rolling down a hill. At first, it's small and slow, but as it keeps rolling, it picks up more snow and gets bigger and faster. Your 1 minute practice is that tiny snowball. Each day you do it, you add a little more power to it. Over weeks and months, you will see a huge difference. I want to share a little bit of my own story with this. When I started, I was feeling a bit lost. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with my life. So, for my 1 minute practice, I started writing, I am a successful content creator. I create videos that help and inspire people all over the world. I love what I do, and I feel a great sense of purpose. At first, it felt a little silly. I was just starting out, but I kept doing it every single morning, 1 minute, and slowly things began to change. I started getting more ideas for videos. I felt more confident in front of the camera. My channel started to grow. It wasn't an overnight success, of course not, but that 1 minute every day kept me focused. It reminded me of my why. It kept me going on days when I felt like quitting. The key is consistency. You have to do it every day. It's just 1 minute. You can find 1 minute. You can do it while your coffee is brewing. You can do it while you're sitting on the bus. You can do it right before you turn off the light to go to sleep. There are no excuses. Making it a habit is the most important part. Try to link it to something you already do every day. For example, you brush your teeth every day, right? So you can decide to do your 1 minute journaling right after you brush your teeth. This is called habit stacking, and it's a very effective way to build new habits. Let's do a quick recap of the steps. Step 1, get a notebook or open a notes app. Step 2, decide when you will do your 1 minute practice every day. Make it a habit. Step 3, set a timer for 1 minute. Step 4, write about your ideal future self in the present tense. Write as if it's already true. Step 5, feel the positive emotions as you write. Really connect with that feeling. Step 6, do this every single day. Consistency is everything. I challenge you to try this for the next 30 days. Just 30 days, 1 minute a day. That's a total of 30 minutes over a whole month. That's less time than one episode of a TV show. And I promise you, if you commit to this, you will start to see changes. You will feel more positive. You will have more clarity about what you want. You will start to notice opportunities that you didn't see before. You will begin to act more like the person you want to be. This isn't about ignoring the problems in your life. It's not about pretending everything is perfect. It's about consciously choosing where to put your focus. It's about training your mind to look for the good, to look for the possibilities, and to move towards your goals with intention. So, are you ready to try it? I really hope you are. This one tiny change can create a huge ripple effect in your life. It's simple, it's free, and it's incredibly powerful. Start today. Don't wait for tomorrow or next week. Grab a piece of paper right now and write for 1 minute about the amazing person you are becoming. Thank you so much for watching. I truly believe this practice can help you, just like it helped me. If you decide to take on the 30-day challenge, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear about your journey. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content to help you live your best life. See you in the next video.